last video, last video we played epic minigames and had a new lottery. Now, we are gonna play a secret game that I want to check out. I don't usually play this game, but I'll join the game. And you girls stay here. Actually, I don't really want to play gymnastic now. Hold the wall. Wait, news is new. On his channel, he's playing Hold the Wall. No, he's on his channel. He is playing Hold the Wall. So, let's play Hold the Wall. For you guys, hold a second. You get it? I'm playing Hold the Wall now. Oh my god, they see me.
And there you have it, the switch.
What is it?
That's my idea. You need it.
School's been really awesome. I wish you were here. Great from down under. Oh, my best school friend. Anyway, come on. I'm late for infiltration 101. What kind of school did you go to again? Stand tall, class. Today's goal: be the first to reach the turret. We really honed our skills. Study hard, and we train hard. Oh, also, play hard. Here's the skit. Every person said
You're so trash! I'm such a noob at this game. Guys, I'm a noob. Like near the noob. But I'm just meet the noob. I'm gonna be on your team. How do you jump? This is so intense. He falls into the water.
I take full responsibility.
I not tell you that he was immature, impetuous. I recommend explosion.
Isn't that extreme? Steve fair. Tuesday. Actually, we had to go. We can't spell the whole word. Animal.
How do you do it? Lie down.
What, are we in grade school?
How do you lie down? How do you? But how do you bend down? How do people do handstands? How do people? Oh my god, how do people do all this stuff? No! Why do you have to win, guy? Please say me next and easy. No! Hope I'm next. Blue team lose. 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 No! Yes! Okay, we won. We're winning! But to find the mom's favorite color blue. Okay, first round. Let's see if I'm on the stage. I hope I'm on the stage. I hope I'm on the stage. No, let me
Somewhere in my book lies a simple melody. The book has many pockets. Located
that would be easy. So you should make it. I thought you were on the red team. I thought you were on the red team with me. How is it not clear? I hope you lose.
unorthodox technique. But excellent results.
No way! Shirasagi is totally my favorites!
Let's see.
Oh my god, guys. I have to end up the video in a little. I know these stuff are not fair. Okay, guys. Oh my god, it's me.
I swear I did it wrong. There was another in there. I couldn't find it.
Hey, some choke you.
Let's go.
You're the smartest people in my class. I'll make you leave your own.
Okay, I am leaving this game. No one ever likes. But remember to play this game right here. Lots of players in it. It is called Hole in the Wall. So you have to jump in the hole. It's called Hole in the Wall. I'll link it in the comments below. Hole in the Wall is Roblox. Okay. So, should I end the video here or should I just give you a piece of my thing? No. So, I have to end the video here. No, I have like more minutes, but I like this 15. 15 is the max limit, but I'd like to get like my video short. Okay, so time to say bye. If I say it 3 times, this video ends. Okay, are you ready, guys? And I'll be saying bye. Before you guys go, subscribe, hit that notification, give me a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Time to say bye.